Statistics 9th, video number 2, sum number 11 part 1. They given the class interval in CF. I have to find F. 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Unless until they tell you convert into exclusive type, then only true. But whenever we will do the graph, that time we have to convert compulsory into exclusive type. CF is given 8, 19, 23, 30. Now see how to find 8. Then 19 minus 8, 11. 23 minus 11, 23 minus 19, 4, 30 minus 23 equal to 7. If you add them, it will be same as this. Sum number 13. If you read the sum, ages they are given below 4, below 7, below 11, 10, below 13, below 16. Whenever it's less than or below given, it is always cumulative frequency. 0, 85, 140, 243, 300. First to convert CI, gap is 3. So before 4, 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16. CF, write F0. 85 minus 0 is 140 minus 85 is 243 minus 140, 300 minus this. If you add this, it will be 300. First question they are asking. State the number of student age group 10 to 13. 10 to 13 there are 103 students. State the age group which has the least number of students. 1 to 4 years. Now we'll come to the mean and median. Sum number 16. Mean means add everything. Find the mean of first 5 natural numbers. 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean we denote by letter X bar. Add all this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 5. Now 9 to 12 to 14, 15. 15 upon 5, that is 3. Now X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll find out X minus X bar. This is called deviation. X bar means I know 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Find this total. Will be 0. This is called sigma, means summation means total. The sum of deviation is 0. Remember that sum of deviation is always 0. A 5, 6, 17, 8, 9, 15, 23, 18, 10. Find the mean. Add all. Divide by. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That equal to 135 upon 10, that is 13.5. Find the new mean if each number increased by 3. Simply, my mean is increased by 3. My answer is 16.5. Find the new mean if each observation decreased by 2. So mean subtract 2, 11.5. Find the new mean each observation multiply by 4. So 13.5 into 4, that is 54. And fourth one is divide by 5. So 13.5 divided by 5 equal to 2.7. Some number, this is 18p. Some number 20. Read carefully. The mean of 40 observation, n is 40. Mean is given 160. Let us find out what is the total. Remember, mean equal to summation x upon n. 160 equal to summation x upon 40. So total is 6,400. It was detected that value of 165 was wrongly copied 125. So correct value. Correct value of total. Incorrect value of summation x minus incorrect observation plus. Simply from the total I will subtract the wrong answer, then I will add the correct. So 6,400 minus, I removed 125 because that was wrong. I added 165. You get 6440. So correct mean total divided by number of observations. My answer is 161. Sum number 21. The mean of 100 observation found to be 30. Mean equal to observation is 100. So my total is 3000. if two observations were wrongly taken as 32 and 12 instead of 23 and 11, so correct value from total, I'll subtract the wrong one, I will add the correct value. Equal to 2990. So correct 2990 upon number of observation is 100. My answer is 29.9. Video